Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, I will talk about some basic topic about Google Tag Manager. Today in this video, I will talk about what is click element and how you can configure this in Google Tag Manager, and how this can help to track better web analytics. So let's focus on my computer screen. Now I am in my Google Tag Manager dashboard. So before explaining, let's just configure this. Very easy. Go to variables. From here, click configure. Now scroll down. Here you can see clicks. Here we have to turn this on by clicking on these elements. Here you can see on the left side, we have successfully installed or configured these variables. This is a built-in variables. That means we don't need to do anything. Our Google Tag Manager will do this for us. We just need to configure this from the settings. Now, uh, let's go to trigger, and this is a variable. So after the creation of variable, we need to just set up a trigger, so that if we do any interaction regarding those events, then it will fire events in Google Tag Assistant. So you can check this if it is working or not. So for that, let's click new and click here, then click all elements under the click option. So all elements. Now it will fire all elements. That means all the clicks. It will fire event. For that, click save. Name this. Okay, we just let this as it is. Now we have to click preview to test it. I will explain the later things on the preview mode. Our website is loading. Okay, we can see that our website just loaded. Now, if we click here, you can see, but I have clicked here on just on time. Now go to the tag assistant. Here you can see a click event just fired. So what is this? So it will track all users click event. And that means if a user click anywhere, then it will track their click event, and it will to take the data from that click. That means if we click any button, then it will track those, and we can later set tracking tag for that. I will explain you some more. Under the click event and click variable, then we can see click classes, click element, click id, all the details it can collect it for us, because we have from the variables section configured this. So it is just collecting those data, and it helps us to do that. So we can see the click class of this text is elementor image box title. That's it. So if we click any link, it will also configure a link. It will also send a link click option. So here under the link click option, it also shows us the click URL. So if you want to track any link click URL, then you can set a tag by this click URL variable. That's the thing we want. So let's just, for example, let's set a Google Analytics custom event to just see more in details. So for that, let's go to Google Analytics. Now, so what should we track? Okay, let's track this link. So if anyone visit our website and go to this link or URL, or click this URL, then we will track their clicks. For that, let's go to Google Tag Manager and go to tags. Okay, at first let's click trigger and set our trigger. So whenever, at first let's click here, then a click event will fire, link click event. So from this link click, here we can see click URL. So this is our click URL. Let's copy it and now configure the just links, some link clicks. Okay, I have forgotten to explain. So we have to set a trigger. Why? Because we just need to track this link click. So for that we have to set a trigger. Then after trigger option, we have to click just links to track this link. After that, here we have to find click URL because we want to track this. Now, so what that means, under this click URL, we want to track those events that contains this link, and this is equals to this link, and that means no more than this or no less than this. So if the link contains this, then we can track their link click. That's it. So let's write this assorted coffee link click trigger. Done. Now say we have to set the text to send this data to Google Analytics. So at first we can go for debug view here, debug view to check this. Okay, let's configure the Google Analytics event. Click tag configuration, then Google Analytics, then G for event. So here is the measurement ID. So we have to find the measurement ID first. Go to setup assistant, then collect website data, manage data streams, go to web. Here, click here, then copy this. Now go to your tag manager and paste it here. Done. Event name. We have to name the event. So we can name any unique event name. So let's name this as assorted coffee product underscore visit. This is our product, sorry, event name. And we just want to track this. We don't need to send any parameter. So leave this as it is and click trigger. From that, we have created a trigger for that. That means if anyone click this link, then this tag will fire. Now name this tag GA4 tag. Okay, now we are done. Then click save. We have done our tag setup. Then click preview again. We have to check our tag configuration is working fine or not. Again, it is loaded. Continue, click. Now, okay, go to the debug view option to check our events. Now we are on our website and we have tracked or tag set up this tag to click here. I mean, click here to check the tag. Okay, we can see our tag just fired assorted coffee product visit, and you can see assorted coffee product visit event just fired. So that means This is how you can use click elements or click variables to track any kind of web analytics that suits your business and helps your business to track web analytics. This is how you can do that. We will we will take more tutorial to you in this regards. Thank you. To know this type of tutorial, please subscribe.